All right, this video is about manually creating an account in KAStrack. Now, there are two other ways to create accounts, but this video is only going to discuss the first one. So once you log in and you see your dashboard, you'll click on the Accounts tab, and then you'll click on Create Account. Put in a username. Username has to be at least 5 characters. Email address, password has to be at least 8 characters. And only the fields that have the asterisk next to them are actually required, so employee ID is as well. You can see registration profile here. It would make this process a lot easier if I just clicked on trucker, but I want to show you how to add the individual pieces that make up a registration profile. So I'm going to click Create Account. All right, so we go down to Test Account. We can see that they don't have an access level and they don't have a supervisor. So let's give him an access level, which is going to define the permissions that he has within the system. So observer, that is, they have access to see everything, but they can only see, they can't edit, they can't change, delete. Employee, however, they have very limited access, but they can only see their own account. They can submit certifications, but they can't approve. And then the supervisor can actually go in and approve. They have some editing permissions, and they can see all of their supervised users. An admin can see everything. They have obviously the most amount of permissions of any of these. So we're going to give the test account the access level of employee. Okay, and then let's assign a supervisor. Let's say that this person has Susie Q as their supervisor. Okay, next we're going to go into the people module. And I can expand this to see how the supervisors are set up. You see test account is right under Susie Q where we put them. So we can click on test account here, go view user page. And, they don't have any requirements because we haven't defined what their role is supposed to be. So if we go over here to certification roles, add edit roles, and let's say this person is part of the team, all team members, and he's also a driver. So those two things are going to define certain certifications. So we click back over on user certifications, and now we have all the items that are due. When this person logs into their account, they will see these items as red, and they will know exactly what to submit for their supervisor to approve.